Imagine yourself in a Chevrolet 2016 Silverado 3500 HD Crew Cab Long Box 4-wheel drive. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.